Here we have the equation, the absolute value of x minus 5 is equal to positive 11. What is the value of x? Well, the left side of this equation is saying that whatever the value of x is, when you subtract 5 from it, the absolute value will be positive 11. So this means that the variable can have more than one solution here. To find both solutions, we need to solve two separate equations. The first equation will be x minus 5 is equal to positive 11, and the second equation will be x minus 5 is equal to negative 11. We need to solve two equations in this way because of the absolute value bars. The difference of x and 5 can equal either a positive or a negative 11. Now we have two simple equations to solve. I'll start with the left equation first, and I'll add 5 to both sides. The 5's will cancel each other out, leaving just the x, and 11 plus 5 is positive 16. So x is equal to positive 16. Now I'll solve the second equation on the right side, and again I will add 5 to both sides of the equation, leaving just the x on the right, and negative 11 plus positive 5 equals negative 6. So x will equal negative 6. So it appears that x can equal positive 16 or negative 6 for this equation to be true. But let's check both values to be sure because sometimes only one of the solutions will work. So we need to substitute the 16 in for x first, and 16 minus 5 is positive 11. And the absolute value of positive 11 is positive 11. So the value of x equals 16 is a true solution. Now let's check negative 6. We'll substitute negative 6 for x, and negative 6 minus 5 is negative 11. And the absolute value of negative 11 is positive 11. So both solutions of 16 and negative 6 will work for this equation to remain true.